Opening Studio, the one software tool where architects, suppliers, contractors, and facilities can design, build, and maintain openings for their entire lifecycle. Create or select a door from your own customized firm library of openings. Modifications can be easily made to doors, frames, and hardware to meet project-specific standards. Opening Studio streamlines communication in the specification, estimating, ordering, and delivery process, making sharing of information effortless. During construction, submittals can be reviewed, material tracked for ordering and delivery, and RFIs or change directives logged and managed. Opening Studio is a powerful tool to have on the worksite. From coordination of work across trades to installation and punch-out of the finished opening. Installers have peace of mind knowing that cut sheets and installation guides are one click away. Whether with new construction or at existing openings, facilities have one point of reference to readily inspect, record, maintain, and service their doors, hardware, and access control systems. All your opening information is accurately and safely stored in one easily accessible location for the life of the building. Download or speak to an Opening Studio consultant today. Brought to you by ASSA ABLOY, the global leader in door opening solutions.